Have you ever plugged in your USB drive and suddenly seen the message? You need to format the disk in Drive X before you can use it. It can be a scary moment, especially if you have important files on that drive. Many people immediately worry that formatting the USB will permanently erase all their data. But don't panic. In this video, I'll explain what formatting actually does and how you can still recover your files even if your USB drive becomes inaccessible. First, let's understand what happens during formatting. When you format a USB drive, your computer prepares it for the use by recreating the file system. This allows the operating system to organize and store files properly. There are different types of formatting. A quick format removes the file references instantly but usually doesn't erase the data completely, which means the files can still be recovered if they haven't been overwritten. A full format goes a step further and scans the drive for bad sectors, making data recovery much more difficult. Sometimes, however, the problem isn't the formatting itself. The USB drive may simply be corrupted. When that happens, Windows often shows the message asking you to format the drive before you can use it. Before formatting, you can try a simple fix using the built-in Windows utility called checkdisk. Open the command prompt as an administrator and type the following command, replacing X with the letter assigned to your USB drive. This command scans the drive, finds bad sectors, and attempts to recover readable data, which may restore access to your files without formatting the drive at all. If formatting becomes unavoidable, the safest approach is to back up your data first. Ideally, you should copy all important files from the USB drive to another storage device before formatting. But if the drive is corrupted and you cannot access the files, you can still recover them using professional data recovery software like Stellar Data Recovery. This tool scans the USB drive and locates files that still exist in the storage space even though the system no longer shows them. Using Stellar Data Recovery is simple. Install the software, launch it, and select your USB drive from the list of available storage devices. Start the scan and wait for the program to search for lost files. After the scan completes, you can preview the files that were found, select the ones you want, and recover them to another location on your computer. As long as the data hasn't been overwritten, there is a good chance you will be able to restore your files successfully. The most important thing to remember is that if your USB drive suddenly becomes unreadable or asks you to format it, stop using the drive immediately. Continuing to use it may overwrite the data you want to recover. Try running checkdisk first, and if your files are still missing, use reliable recovery software like Stellar Data Recovery to scan the drive and retrieve your data. So that's it for this one. Like the video, subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor, and I will see you in the next one.